Hi everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today guys I'm participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled The Blue and White Tablescape, and it is hosted by three YouTube sisters, Miss V, Mysterious Alberta, and Cynthia at She's So Blessed. Now guys, if you're interested in finding out about this collaboration, stick around. Okay guys, they had four simple rules. First, you have to be a member of each one of their channels. 2, you must create a blue tablescape, and the tablescape of shade of blues had to be, it could be different shades of blue, teal, all in the blue family. 3, the upload date is March 30th. And 4, you're to have fun and be inspired. Guys, I will have a link to all the ladies' channels down below in the description bar, and also a link to the playlist when it becomes available. So if you want to see what Stephanie came up with this year, stick around. Okay guys, here's an overview of my blue and white tablescape. Yes, I did include the mint green. I just needed a different than just blue and white this year. So I'm going to bring you up close so you can see each place setting. Okay, guys, each place setting is the same. I have the white placemat, the mint green charger, and then the square plate here, the larger plate. Let you get a close-up of that detail. I love that plate. And then I have the dessert plate to put in the middle, corresponding plate. To give you a little background on these plates, guys, these were a Goodwill find. The set of 4 plates and 4 dessert plates. Let me see if I can find the sticker. I think it was on the tape. They were $6.99 for the 4-piece set, but it was orange tag, 30% off day, plus Senior Citizens Day. My mom was with me, so they came out to be like $4 for the plates and the dessert plates. Also, guys, I have my blue Dollar Tree wine glasses, and then I have a navy blue napkin. My centerpiece is pretty basic. It's the one I usually have, the white tray with the clear vases with the mint green trim. Those were DIY projects years ago. So guys, here is my overall view of my table again. So if you guys like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my other social media contacts. They should be listed down below on the screen, and as well as in the description box down below. And as always guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.